Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D model in Inventor software. So you can see I choose this drawing to do the 3D model. So all the dimensions are mentioned in the The base dimensions is 150 by 100 and 15 mm height. First I will create a base. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me. I need to reach 1k subscriber. Select new, metric, standard create. Select 2D sketch. Select plane. Select center rectangle. Give the dimension 150, 100, 150. Finish sketch. Change the dimension 100. Extrude after 15 mm. 15 mm, right? So base is created. Now you can see there is a pipe on the top side. The dimension of the pipe is 60 outer dia, 40 inner dia and 50 mm length. Height from the base to pipe center is 80 mm. For that, select plane, sketch, select the circle, give the dimension 60, give the dimension 40, give the dimension from base to pipe center 80, give the vertical constraint, sketch as fully constrained, finish sketch, select extrude, select mid plane, give the dimension 50 mm, click OK. So now you can see pipe has created. After that you can see there is a ribs 4 sides. First I will create this 15 mm thickness rib. For that select same plane, sketch, select line, OK, select tangent, select circle and line, same, select circle line, here select extend, OK, sketch is fully constrained, finish sketch, select extruded, select mid plane, select 15 mm, enter. Now you can see there is a rib the opposite side also, that is 10 mm thickness. For that select plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension, 20 mm, finish sketch, select rib, click OK. So rib is created. Select rib, mirror, select mirror plane, click OK. Now you can see 4 corners fillet is there. To fillet, you select fillet, give dimension 10 mm, select 4 corners, apply. After that, 4 holes is there, that diameter is 10 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select point, give the dimension 20, 20, this also, select vertical constraint, select horizontal constraint, okay. Mm. One more dimension, pitch from here to here, 20. That's it, fully constrained. Finish sketch, select hole, here simple hole, diameter is 10 mm, through hole, click OK. So you can see all the features are added. Now I will assign the material. Select generic. I will assign some different material like aluminum 6061 already I assigned. Copper is there, so I will select copper. So color has automatically changed. So save the part. So that's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.